Good morning students. Today's class we will be learning the role of marketing. In yesterday's class we saw the functions of marketing. We had seen all the 11 functions, the last function being the storage. Remember 12 functions, sorry. The last function being the warehouse, that is how to stock the goods. Then coming to this point of role of marketing. What is the role played by marketing? Marketing plays two different roles, children. One role in a firm and one role in the economy. As a firm, marketing helps to maximize what kind of role it plays. It helps to maximize the profit because marketing, the focus of marketing is on customer satisfaction. Right, the focus of marketing is on customer satisfaction. Thus, marketing plays a vital role for the survival and growth. If you don't satisfy the customer, automatically you use the grip in the market and you end up losing the market share. Thereby, loss will come. Right, but marketing, since a lot of focus of marketing is on the customer satisfaction, it helps the firm to not only survive but also grow in a long run. Right, next comes the role of marketing in a economy. What kind of role marketing plays in the economy? When you talk about economy, it plays a very important role because it contributes to the GDP. How does it do it? It helps in raising the standard of living of people by making available goods and services that satisfy their needs and wants, because here customer satisfaction is the key. And remember, when does marketing start? Marketing starts long before the production process. First, the needs, wants and the specifications and preferences of customers are understood, then the products are designed. So thereby marketing leads to more employment opportunities, more sales. More sales means higher profits. Higher profits means more income for the employees. So it attracts more investments. Your role in the stock market also goes up if you are a public company, right? So overall marketing is very, very beneficial. Now when you talk about factors that affect the marketing decision, what could be the factors that affect the marketing decision? One thing is a controllable factor which is very much under your control, that is micro, and another thing is uncontrollable factor which is not under your control, comes under the category of macro. Now the factors that can be influenced by marketing decision is at the firm level. Firm level means, for example, just now I told role of marketing in a firm. So at the firm level means particular products, say bread, its packing, brand name, pricing, distribution, it can be used, promotion, modeling, etc. Everything are controllable. It is your decision. You decided the name of the bread. You decided the packaging. You decided the pricing. So all these things that are controllable. So you could have done a better job there. Right? For example, we are talking about bread. We took the bread example. Right. Now factors affecting, look at the example, children, pay attention carefully. The packaging, the transportation, functions of marketing में सब cover हुआ है, right? Everything is under your control. You decided, you make the choice. Right, but what are non-controllable factors? These factors are not controllable. For example, customer demand. I cannot force the customer to buy my product. If my product is good, automatically customer will buy. Political parties' attitude, government decisions, economic factors like inflation, recession, now the corona pandemic, maybe the sales have gone down. Right, so market factors are these. I have just see the example. Yeah, in the change in the new industrial policy has an impact on your business, but it is not under your control. It's a macro factor. Higher price, lower price, elections, demand and supply, competition time, taxes, interest rates that are available in the market. These are all certain factors that are not under your control. Right, so with this we will be concluding the controllable and non-controllable factors. In tomorrow's class I will be teaching you marketing mix. Right, in tomorrow's session we will see what are the factors affecting the marketing mix. So what did we learn today? Today is a very small guest class, role of marketing. The role of marketing, marketing plays two different roles, one as a firm and another role in the economy. In the firm, customer satisfaction is the key, and in the economy it contributes by generating more employment opportunities, higher profit, increasing the standard of living, etc., etc. What are the factors that affect the marketing decision? There are two factors. One is controllable, another one is uncontrollable. Controllable is a micro factor with all the decisions that you made with regard to the 4 P's, and uncontrollable is something that is happening in the market in which you have largely no control. Right? Thank you and have a fantastic day.